there's no time for a long-winded intro because I only have like 2 hours and 10 minutes to do everything, so yeah. Okay, so where we left off yesterday, those holes wouldn't drill out. I've had an idea though, to see if we can get them to drill. Before I go trying to punch them in the forge, I want to try this thing first. Some people sometimes grind fullers into a knife's tang in order to provide more surface area for the glue to stick to. I'm wondering if I grind a fuller on both sides, if that might make the material easier to drill through because it'll be thinner. So, securing protection and then grinding. Let's see if that works at all. The answer to my question was no. The only alternative is to grind it the whole way through. Give me 1 second. Never mind. I thought I could bamboozle the drill to let me drill through, but nope, didn't work. Back to grinding. Oh, of course, that doesn't even fit all the way down in there. Back to grinding, never mind. Alright, I think those off the grinding now. I just have to see if I can fit a file in there. There. Should you loosen? Get off of there, please. Why are you shining lights at me? Get off. Get off! Son of a fucking... Make sure you turn it this way. It won't turn either way. Get off, you stupid thing. Ah, you're loosening. You don't touch it, it's super hot. Ah! Ah, my toe is cramped. Oh. You saying you're getting toasty? Hold on a second. I have the screen upside down so I can at least see myself in it, but hold on. Ah, shit, you're getting toasty. Well, I'm gonna shut you off for a bit to let you cool down. I'm just gonna be filing for a while now, so. Welcome back to the world of the living. You get to watch a time lapse of me filing for a long time now. It is currently 3:01, 3:02, which means I have some kind of time left. I don't want to do math right now. I have to work. Enjoy. That may not have looked all that impressive, but oh, my arms are so tired. So now, I need to see if the drill bit will fit through that so I can at least mark one of the scales. So that way I can start drilling the holes in there, so I'll do that now. So there are 3 ways this goes. One way, it goes flawlessly. The drill bit fits right through, which it does. And marks this one perfectly, and I can then drill. Option 2, it has a bit of struggling, might down there some, but we get through. Option 3, the drill bit catches and throws it and hurts or kills someone. Let's hope this goes all right. Splendid, I wasn't killed. Incredible, it went flawlessly. Okay, so I'm over here at this grinder to clean the bevels up some just so I can get a better look at them again and to steepen them just a spot more. Now typically the steeper your bevels are, the sharper your knife can be, but I don't want this thing to be super sharp because, you know, it's a knife for a 9-year-old, so just a bit of cleanup on the bevels. Well, darn, that went too fast. We're getting closer and closer to the scary thing that no one really ever wants to do. There's a pretty good amount of bananaing in there, though you can see that. So I'm gonna have to forge that out. Oh man. Alright, time to light the forge. Good enough. Now starts the long process of normalizing, where we heat the thing up, then let it cool down, then heat it up to a bit cooler, then let it cool back down again. So, yep, you excited for that now? Alright, normalization's done. I need a drink. After that, we'll get back to it. So I just drank an entire bottle of water, and now we need a bucket of some sort, a suitable thing to store fluid in, and I think this right here will do just fine. because I can't afford Cork's 50. And now it's time to heat treat. I'm terrified. It's time. Checking it for magnetism. Once it becomes non-magnetic, it's ready to quench. I have a magnet on the pair of tongs, if you can't tell. It's a bit more here in the back. Straight to me. Oh, it's straight. Aha. So now the test for all the marbles. That hard? I think that sounds hard. That's a hard blade, if I've seen one. Oh, yes. Alright, so just now on the grinder, I went ahead and ground the edges clean. So now it's time to temper it using the torch. We're looking for a kind of straw color in the edge, but you can't really see. Let's turn you around then. So now you can see. Trying to get those straw colors in there. Alright, gonna go rest that. And there we are, hardened and tempered. Time to start cleaning it up. And boom, the knife is complete. I'm just joking. Uh-oh, you're getting toasty. I have to shut you down for a while. hot. Oh, it's hot. There we go. That's pretty much all done. Wait 1 second, I forgot. Need these faces clean. There we go. So now, let's go like that. Yeah. How are we looking on time? It's that time. I need glue. I had to bore to the center of the earth to get this thing open, but I got it open now, so now it's time to apply. Hypothetically. Oh, come on. Where's some channel locks when you need them? Here's the channel locks when I needed them. Oh, come on. Oh no. There we go, no time for a really long-winded outro. I need to clean up really fast and get inside. The thing is clamped and gluing up. I'll grind it all to shape tomorrow. I hope I've got the pins oriented good enough to each other, but oh well. I've done it. I have about 20 minutes left. So it's inside now to cool down some before my welding class starts. So yeah. I'll finish this thing off tomorrow, because tomorrow, while it is his party tomorrow, the nephew's, but it probably won't be until like 2-ish, so I'll have time to finish it. Until next time.